Thumb up if you are interested in the person next to you. Thumb down if you are not. In 3, 2, 1. Blindfolds off, everyone with me. 3, 2, 1.
You have really nice eyes.
Thank you. Holy shit, there's a lot of people here. Wait, are you guys a couple? You guys are like some of the prettiest people I've ever met. Are you still in dental school?
Yeah.
Yeah. How much more school do you have left? I have my own money, thank you though.
I got 2 years left.
Both of you, eyes closed, look straight. Thumb up if you are interested in the person next to you. Thumb down if you are not. In 3, 2, 1. All right, so you weren't feeling the vibe. And Chase, I want to know what made you say yes, because you did say no when the blindfolds were on, and it did seem like it was going to stay that way when the blindfolds came off, but you went right up. Tell us why.
Because I think you're attractive, and so I was willing to give you a chance.
Yes. If you look like this, you automatically get a chance.